Today on 3-Minute Vlogs, I visited some friends in a faraway place. Lyric and I went to surprise her friends by picking them up from school.
This is the animal market.
Are you excited to see them? Alright, step back.
Who's in there? Who is that?
Wow! Ow.
This is one of those times in life that I enjoyed, even walking through some villages. And now I will reenact a movie scene.
Gotta take one jump ahead of those arms. One jump. I don't want to actually touch it.
It's cool this morning, so maybe people are actually like
Working, doing.
What are we looking for?
I don't know.
What are we doing?
I don't know.
Where are we?
I don't know.
Whoa!
Ding ding dong, ding ding dong. I can't see.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Is it good? Don't drop it.
say it. What is it? Say long.
We continued on our way back to our friend's home and relaxed on this micro vacation.
Not bad. A little bit like chicken, a little bit like some other thing.
11 or 12. I got to do a lot of things before my siblings. Yeah, the baby. Because by then it was like, well, whatever. I don't even care.